Hello, I am K.S. Rao. You know me well. Well, you also know our subject. The puzzle you see behind me today is a very interesting puzzle. A few tricks I'll be able to show, but let me tell you, I am feeling a bit nervous about this puzzle because a few times I have solved it has taken different routes, and today, at this time, I do not know which route it will take. Okay, anyhow, let us face it and let us enjoy it. Let's go to the puzzle now. So this is our interesting puzzle. There are some a few aspects about this. I got attracted to this puzzle for a few reasons. Let me tell you now. See, the first thing is this middle box is completely blank, empty, no numbers given. The next point is this number 8 is not given anywhere in this puzzle. So number 8 we have to find out, we have to discover it. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing which attracted me is look at this 671 here and this 671 here. So I got particularly attracted to this arrangement also. It will give us a chance to show a small trick here. Okay, so now let's start with the puzzle now. Our usual method is there, you know. The top horizontal strip, we can see number 4 occurring 2 times, but we in this box we get 2 places for number 4 here. Here there's a 4 there, there's a 4 there, there's a 4 here. So only these 2 places are available. We don't know where to fix now. Let's leave it. Number 5 we can definitely fix here. See, look at that 5 and this 5 and this 5. Therefore, our first lucky number for this puzzle is number 5 here. Okay. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, they don't help us there. So let's come here. This middle horizontal strip. See here, as I said, this arrangement has attracted me. Now have a look. This 6 and 1, 6, 1, 6 and 7 cannot be repeated here. Again, this 1, 6 and 7 cannot be repeated here. So these three numbers together have to take these three positions. But you see 1 here and 6 above. Therefore, 1 and 6 cannot take this spot. For which reason? Number 7 only has to take this place. It is number 7 here. Okay. And now, anything else happens. But we can make a pair of this 1 and 6 here and write like this 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Okay. And then let us leave a step now for the time being. Come here. Here. Number 1 occurs once, 2 occurs once, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything occurs except number 5. Everything else is occurring once each. Okay, so, but even this 5, we are not sure that right here or here. Let's skip that also now. But before leaving this strip, have a look at this box. You have a 9 here. You cannot repeat 9 here. You have a 9 here. You cannot repeat here. Therefore, in this box, we can confirm number 9 here. Okay, okay. And then immediately look at this box further. We have a 7 there. We have a 7 there. So in this box, the only place for number 7 is here. Okay, by the way, we can examine this left vertical strip. Number 1 occurs just once. 2 is missing. 3 occurs once. 3 there, 3 there. 3 can be here or here. 4 occurs once. 5. We get a chance for 5. No, 5 here or here. We don't know. 6. 6 also here or here. We don't know now. Okay. 7. 3 times done. 8 missing. 9. 9 gets 3 places we don't know now. Okay. Here At this time we get nothing. 5 there, 5 there. That's all. Come here. Here also 1 occurs once, 2 occurs once, 3. It's a pair. 3 here and 3 here, not a pair, sorry. 3 here and 3 here. We are not sure where to write. Let's write 3 here or here. We are not sure. So let's leave it. 4, 5, 6 occur each, once each. 7. Yes, we get a chance to write a 7 here. That's a 7. That's good. Whether this will give a chance for the third 7 anywhere here? No. Okay, leave it. And then 8 missing. We know it. 8 is not there in this puzzle at all. 9. 9 here. But 2 places for 9. Okay. Now, before leaving this trip, let us start with our tricks. Okay. Have a look. In this box, we have got this 2 and 5 here. That means these two numbers cannot get repeated in the same box. If you look at this column number 9, these two numbers 2 and 5 must take this cell and this cell. Okay, but we don't have proper cross checks. Therefore, let us make a pair of them, 2 and 5, and right here 2 and 5. 2 and 5, okay. And then look up there in the same column number 9. We require to complete 6 and 8. We have a 6 here. Therefore, we write our 6 there. And we are finding our first number 8 for this puzzle here. Let us write in a bold manner, happily. Okay, that's number first 8 for this puzzle. Okay, and now before leaving this step, come down to this box. We have an interesting feature here. You see, we find 3 and 6 in this row, and we find 3 and 6 in this column number 7. Therefore, look at this box. We can make a pair of them, and right here like this, 3 and 6. And here also 3 and 6. Okay. And now, see something interesting now. Look at this box. In this box, we have just got 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 5. Out of these, 1 and 2, observe, 1 and 2, these two numbers together cannot be repeated here. Okay, therefore, in row G, if you look at, these two numbers have to take this place and this place only. It is G2 and G7. And incidentally, we have a number 2 there above. Therefore, we can write our number 2 here. And naturally, number 1 here. Okay. And then, what about these two cells? Can anything be done? Yeah, we have got 1 here. So we can write our number 1 there in this box. And this is for 8. Okay, 8. Okay, fine. Look across. The 8 enables us to confirm number 8 here. Let us do it. That's 8. Okay. And then in this box, what about these 3 places? Naturally, we know it is 2, 4, and 5 are required. So 2 is there. Let us write 4 and 5 here. And we have a 5 there. So we write 2 and 4 here. Okay. And then, okay, let's concentrate on this strip. We have this 2, 4, and 5 trio here. What about these 2 cells in this row J? This is naturally for 7 and 9. We don't have cross 6, so let us make a pair of them, 7 and 9. 7 and 9. By the way, this was the second 8, and this was the third 8 for this puzzle. That was the first one, you know. Okay. And now, Let us leave this strip for a while and go to our column number 1, where we got only two vacancies. Those two are for clearly for number 2 and 3. We have this number 2 in this place, so number 2 cannot be accommodated here. So we shall have our 2 here and 3 there. Okay. Now let us jump to the very simple trick, but the most important trick for this puzzle. That is, now listen carefully, observe. Look at this box. This box. We have a 2 here and we have a 2 here, which means number 2 in this box has to be indivisibly somewhere between these two cells, that is B6 and C6. And keeping that in mind, come to this box. See, we cannot, because of this invisible 2, we cannot repeat the 2 here. Because of this 2, we cannot repeat the 2 here. And we have just written this 2. A 2 cannot be repeated here also. That means in this box, I hope I am clear, the only place available for number 2 is this. Okay. Then look straight right. We can disband this pair and write a 5 there. Oh, this is shaking once again. Let us fix it. 5 there, and then here say 2, and next door say 4, here say 5. Okay. Now come to this box. Why that box? Let us look at this number 7. We require 4 and 9 to complete this column. We have this 9 here, so let us write our 9 here and 4. Okay. And then what about these two places? We can certainly fill up. We have got this 2 here now. So let us write our 2 here, and the last cell in this box is for number 8. Okay. And then can anything be done in this box? Let's have a look. We have 1 there, 2 there, 3 here, 3 there. Okay. Oh, we can have a look at this row F. Can anything be done? Yes, we can do. We require number 3 and 4 for these two cells. We have got a 4 above. So let us write our 3 here and 4 here. That brings us to these 3 cells. Can anything be done now? Let us have a look. We require 1, 5 and 8. Yeah, we have a 5 there, we have a 5 here. So let us write our 5 here. And oh, am I doing some mistake? We require not 1, 5 and 8. It is 5, 8 and 9. Okay. 5, 8 and 9. We don't have any cross check of 8 or 9 here. Let's leave this box for the time being now. And come here, this box. We have 1 and 2 there. Yeah, we have a 3 here, we have a 3 here. That means in this box, the exclusive place for number 3 is here. Okay. Now what about these 3 remaining places? We need 4, 5 and 8. We have a 4 here, so we can write our 4 there. And we have this 5 here. Let us put our 5 here. And naturally this place is for number 8. Oh, that box is full now. Okay, we can't do anything yet now unless we get something in these colors. Okay, let's go to this box now. Have a look. 1, 2, 2 here, 2 places for 2, 3 is there, 4. Yeah, we can get a 4 here because of this 4 and this 4 and this 4. We can write our next 4 here. 5 is there, 6. Yeah, we can get a 6 here. We have the 6 there, we have the 6 here, this 6 is there. So in this box, the exclusive place for number 6 is this. Okay, 7 is there. What about 8? 8 also we can locate. This 8 is here, preventing repetition here, and this 8 does not permit repeating here. Therefore, we can get our number 8 here. Okay, and then the last cell in this column is clearly for number 1. Okay, now look extreme right. In this box, because of this one, we cannot repeat number 1 there. So let us write our number 1 here. And the last place in this box is very clearly for number 9. Okay. And that brings us to the last cell vacant in row B. That is clearly for a number 2. So the invisible number 2 has become visible now. Well, look. Okay. Now, can we do something about these two cells? Now for completing this box or this column, we require two numbers. They are number 2 and 9. So we find number 2 here. Therefore, we can write our number 2 here. And naturally this place is for number 9. Okay, now we have filled this left vertical strip completely. Okay, now let us look at this middle column number 5. It's got only 2 vacancies. That is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we require only 8 and 9. We have this 9 here. Therefore, we can write our 8 here and 9 here. Okay. Now look at this row C. We have got only 1 vacancy there. That is for what number? I think number 8. Yeah, we have an 8 there, we have an 8 here. So that's the only number which is missing. Now, after writing this number 8, we can put number 8 here at D4. Okay. Let us do it. Okay. Now, let us, we can fill up this cell also. And that's the last number for row D. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is just number 9 only. Okay, we have completed this box also, but for this pair of 1 and 6, we shall see about that. We have not developed the cross checks for 1 or 6 yet. Okay, now let us shift to this box. See, we have 1, 2, 3 here, pair is still there, 4. Yeah, we can have a 4 here, we have a 4 there, we have a 4 here, we have a 4 up there. Therefore, it is number 4 in this cell. Yeah, okay. And then these two cells are for what numbers? It is clearly for number 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have 3 above there. So we can have our 6 here and 3 here. Now we have got this number 9, which can help us to disband this pair, and we can confirm number 7 here, and naturally this is for number 9. Okay, now look at this box. This 6 enables us to disband this pair. Therefore, let us write our number 1 there, and this number 6 here. Now we come to the last pair of cells in this box, this puzzle, so to say. Sorry. So this box also, yeah. We require 1 and 7. We have a 7 here. Therefore, we can write our number 7 here. And The last number for this puzzle is number 1. Okay, my friends, we have done it. Oh, not done yet. Oh, yeah, yeah. This 6 enables us to discard this pair. Our, not exactly original, but one of the earliest pairs. That's fine. So now truly we have completed the puzzle. Okay. So my friends, this is also, I think it was a difficult puzzle. I'm not sure about it. You will be able to tell me whether it was a difficult puzzle or not, or an easy puzzle. But my intention was to show a few tricks. That is, in finding out this pair and this, finding the first 8 and all these things, and the most important. Here also this pair was important, and finding this pair, this number 2, was very important also, and more important was this 2. That is the okay. That's the one which clicks the puzzle for us easily. Okay, so I have given my mail address here. So what else? That's all for today. God bless you all.